Unveiling the Journey, Understanding Destination Guide. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're embarking on an exciting journey to explore and understand the term destination guide. This phrase is not just about travel. It's about the experiences, the culture, and the memories that come with exploring new places. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or dreaming about your future adventures, this video will enhance your understanding and use of this common yet captivating phrase. A destination guide is more than just a booklet or a website. It's your trusted companion in exploring new places. It provides detailed information about a specific location, including important landmarks, local cuisine, cultural practices, and tips on getting around. It's like having a knowledgeable friend who guides you through the streets, sharing the secrets and wonders of the place. Every destination guide has key components that make it an invaluable resource for travelers. These include 1. Overview of the destination. This section paints a vivid picture of the destination, including its history, geography, and cultural significance. 2. Major attractions. Here, you'll find detailed descriptions of must-see sites, museums, parks, and other landmarks. 3. Local cuisine and dining. A guide to the best local eateries, dishes, and culinary experiences unique to the destination. 4. Accommodation options. From luxurious hotels to cozy bed and breakfasts, this part offers suggestions for every budget and preference. 5. Transportation tips. Essential information on navigating the area, including public transport options, car rentals, and tips for pedestrian-friendly zones. 6. Cultural etiquette and tips. Insightful advice on local customs, traditions, and etiquette to ensure a respectful and enjoyable visit. To make the most of a destination guide, consider the following tips. Plan ahead. Before you travel, use the guide to plan your itinerary, prioritize sites, and note any special events or festivals. Be open to discovery. While it's great to have a plan, allow some flexibility in your schedule to explore unexpected finds or recommendations from locals. Respect local customs. Pay close attention to the section on cultural etiquette to interact respectfully with locals and enrich your travel experience. In closing, a destination guide is more than a resource. It's your gateway to immersive experiences and unforgettable memories. We hope this video has illuminated the essence and utility of destination guides in your travels. Until next time, keep exploring, discovering, and enjoying the journey of life. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.